Hi, welcome to Yoga is Easy like ABCD. Today we'll be talking about the standing forward bend or forward fold, which is known as Uttanasana. In this standing forward bend or forward fold, you have two options, either by standing with your feet close together or just about like 10 cm apart. We ready ourselves by firmly press our feet onto the mat or on the ground. The option 1, you just hold your waist with both of your hands. Try to measure or try to make sure the hips are square. So when you are ready, when you inhale, we try to lengthen the whole spine, chest out. When you exhale, we try to rotate from the hip. And when the next inhale, we still lengthen the spine halfway. And the last one, exhale. Draw the belly in more, bring the belly as close as possible to the thigh. The next inhale, you will start rotate from your hip back to the standing pose to lengthen the whole spine. Now let's come to the option 2, where you can raise both arms up above the head. So this time, when you inhale, you try to imagine you are pulling from your arms to the ceiling, lengthening the whole spine. When you exhale, you still rotate the hip and fold forward halfway. The next inhale, further lengthen the spine, extend the arms, and exhale. Draw the belly in. Palms or fingertips can be on the mat or on the ground. The next inhale, you can try to lengthen the whole spine, extending the arms, and exhale. You can bring the palms close to your feet or next to your feet, or choose the second option where you can bend your both arms to grab your ankle, or the last option, or hug your opposite elbow. The next inhale, you can leave your trunk or leave your torso halfway, and exhale. Move yourself back to the starting pose to end the session. If you have any questions in your mind, just leave me a message or leave your comments there. I'm happy to know more and explore more with you. Thank you. See you next time.